Is homeopathy is scientific? Why you think this? What do you think like this? Because most of the homeopathic students and homeopathic practitioners ask the questions to their senior homeopaths that can you treat the cancer? Can you treat the diabetes? Can you treat asthma? Can you treat a fever? Can you able to treat the pain? The list is too much long, friends. Because friends, these students and homeopath ask to you because they have doubts on you. Means we people are failed to prove that homeopathy is scientific. But friends, homeopathy is based on the fixed principles and laws, and it is time tested too. So friends, homeopathy is damn scientific. I will tell you how homeopathy is scientific. In today's scenario, we people want to see here, so all the viral diseases that conventional science is failed to treat it. Past epidemics that we treated by managed by homeopathy successfully, and we proved it in the management of epidemics, and most of the epidemics are due to the viral conditions. The epidemic of cholera, epidemic of plague, epidemic of flu, epidemic of scarlet fever, and now in the COVID-19, most homeopaths from the globe are trying their most efforts to prove homeopathy is successful in these conditions too. So friends, I would like to tell you that homeopathy is scientific. So friends, I am Dr. Santosh Mahanor. I am a genuine practical homeopath, and my mission is to educate to how to practice homeopathy easily, correctly, genuinely. And I trained more than hundreds of homeopaths to achieve a great success in homeopathic practice. So friends, I would like to tell you that to prove a homeopathy is scientific, we need to understand few things. What these things are. So most important thing I would like to tell you that to prove homeopathy is scientific is the important thing Master Hahnemann's teachings. We ignored his teachings. We unfollow his teachings. He said to his true followers a genuine practical homeopath. So friends, we need to understand why he used these words to his successors, his followers. So they are true because he knows the homeopathy is a very genuine science, so it needs to be followed genuinely. So that's why he used these terms. Genuine means it is a very quality indicative words. You never compromise in any way. And another sentence word he used that is a practical. Practical means you not to be a hypothetical, you not to be imaginary. So your own interpretations has no any value. You should be a damn scientific. So to follow Hahnemann theories, you need to be a scientific. But we are not following him, and we are saying that homeopathy is unscientific. So friends, to understand the master's teaching, we need to read his books, where he gathered his most of the data in the 3 books. So I would like to share the names of this book. That is, he discovered the Meism theory, and he gathered so many literature and so many data scientific proofs for the proofs of Meism in his book The Theory of Chronic Disease. So we need to understand this book first. Another book of Master Hahnemann is a Materia Medica Pura, where Master Hahnemann gathered a lakhs of symptoms. So in the history of medical science, not in the homeopathy, no one is here to one single person who proved that much data of a subjective type of symptom. So it is the very proud, very grateful things that we people are follower of this science. So friends, so to understand homeopathy, we need to understand these 2 books first. After that, we need to understand his last and very perfect edition, 6th edition Organ of Medicine, where he introduced proper prescriptions of doses, how to employ it. So for treatment, we need to follow the genuine methods of preparation and also the posology methods as advised by Master Hahnemann in his books. So second important thing I would like to introduce how homeopathy is scientific. So friends, the diseases like diabetes, cancer, arthritis, allergies, so many autoimmune disorders. So conventional medical sciences, they don't know any proper cause of the diseases like these things. They are treating materialistically, just palliating the diseases, but nothing will be the result, nothing is the outcome from this management or various side effects of these medicines. So friends, in these situations, homeopathy is the only solution remains for the patient. So this is the only solution for patients to manage the symptoms of these long sufferings, the chronic diseases. And so friends, he employed the very minute details of subjective symptoms to treat these situations or treat the conditions which patients are suffering very chronically. Even though these subjective symptoms are not to be considered as symptoms or disease in other conventional methods, though other peoples are unaware about this. And nowadays my observation is that most of the homeopaths are too unaware about the provings of Master Hahnemann. We see that the homeopathy proved very effective in the diseases of children, right from recurrent respiratory tract infections to the autism and various kinds of children's ailments. Even though in the gynecology we proved a lot in the cases of uterine cancers, CA breast, and most of the female troubles, we are able to manage it. So friends, another important thing I would like to introduce you how homeopathy is scientific. Homeopathy treats the disease effects as when we remove the effects of disease, that means we have cured. So friends, I would like to tell you that homeopathy is a fact-based science. We are applying the methods of treatment on the laws of Master Hahnemann. He employed us. So second important thing he want to introduce is, and we are ignored it, that is a case taking method as Hahnemann advised you. As I want to tell you that how Master Hahnemann advised the case taking, so that case taking is a very genuine. In this case taking, he advised you how to take the case very detailedly, but we people are not applying the way Master Hahnemann said. That's why we are failing in that. So friends, another important mistakes we peoples are doing, that is misunderstanding of Master Hahnemann's miasm theory. We misunderstood it, we misinterpreted it. That's why we are not getting the proper results. So friends, another important thing I would like to introduce, that we are not applying the proper dose, we are not applying proper potencies. So friends, these are the most important reasons are failing to prove a homeopathy scientific. Yes, no doubt there are few of homeopaths are doing well and they are proving the homeopathy is a best science, and people, we need to grateful for these peoples also. Only on the basis of these few peoples homeopathy gets that much popularity, that homeopathy is the second largest system in the world. Friends, imagine if you all peoples are using homeopathy correctly and giving results to the society, to the patients, so what will be the result? So friends, lot of stuff is there. Master Samuel Hahnemann advised to us a lot of things, but we misunderstood, misinterpreted and ignored also hypothetically. So friends, it is very difficult to tell all the things in single video. So please be with me if you want to know details about the genuine practical homeopathy. My mission is not only to educate you, but also like to make a difference in the homeopath in all aspects and promote the scientific genuine homeopathy. Thank you.